is Anmay Khairnar from SP Robotics, Rajiv Nagar, Nashik. My project name is Automatic Grain Cleaning System based on foundation level. To reduce time, human labor and energy, I have created this project. My project cleans grains more efficiently and effectively than humans. My project consists of conveyor belt, sieve, automatic nightlight system, lift and truck. In this project, I have used LED, push button, DC motor, LTR, IR sensor, buzzer and two-way switch. Now I will explain you how my project works. When a push button is pressed, the DC motor converts electrical energy into rotational motion and the grains fall down. When another push button is pressed, the sieve moves forward and backward and separates dust from the grain. Security system. When someone tries to come near the conveyor belt, the IR sensor will sense it and the buzzer will buzz. Automatic night light system. When there is no sunlight, the LDR will sense it and it will glow light. And when there is sunlight, the LDR will sense it and turn off lights automatically. Lift. I have used one DC motor in the lift. When one two-way switch is pressed, the lift will move upward and it will transfer the grain sacks into the truck. When the other two-way switch is pressed, the lift will go down. Truck. When I have used 4 DC motor in the truck, which is controlled by a remote control made up of 4 two-way switch. When 2 two-way switches are pressed, the truck will move forward, and when other 2 two-way switches are pressed, the truck will move backward. Now, the truck will transfer the grain sacks into the warehouse. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.